All right, taco review time. So we are actually at El Indio Azteca. Where is this place at? Hold on, let me get my bearings. Relax yourself, relax yourself. El Indio Azteca. It is located at 19247 Roscoe Boulevard, Northridge, California, 91324. Now I'm gonna not lie to you. You have a couple of rules. A, if it's a sketchy ass area, check. To have really good Mexican food. B, if you walk in there, if you saw the intro, it's like walking into like one of those places right in TJ. And if you've ever been to TJ or Ensenada or any of those places, you know some of those tacos when you have it. I mean, back in my day, we used to go to TJ all the time. Those are some of the best tacos we'd ever have. But what we did is they went and hooked me up with a carne asada taco, and it's the traditional, the TJ style, how I like it. They got the meat, the cilantro, the onion, the salsa, and that's it. They got a little fancy with the beans and the chips. I don't know if because I told them I was doing a review on it, but then this is the key. This is the money maker right here. This is the business. You cannot go anywhere without having this. This right here is a combination made in heaven. So what we're gonna do is we go ahead and have 3-bite rule. The first bite is with nothing. You send it right in. You go ahead and not sugarcoat it. There's no foreplay. There's no nothing. You just go ahead and do it the way that it's done. Number 2, it's gonna be with the salsa, and then number 3, it's gonna be with the lime and the little thingamajiggers, you know, with the radishes and the jalapenos. And then just because they put it on the plate, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into these little beans and salsa or beans and chips thing again. I'm losing my mind here. I don't even know what I'm doing. Look, I had 8 earlier and I made a mess of myself. I don't understand what's going on with life. So far, I'm grabbing onto it and it's feeling legit. The thing is it needs to be a little crispy on the outside of the tortilla. It has to be a little crispy on the outside, and then it's got to be nice and fluffy on the inside. It's nice and super hot. Smells like the business. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This is without a doubt a really, 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 really good taco. It's nice and spicy, nice and flavorful. The tortilla. So the key to our structural system with the scoring is it has to, if the tortillas were handmade. And of course, you're going to be in the top, is somewhere in around the 9s. If everything else falls into the thing, everything is going to be in the 9s. There's no such thing as a 10. But then, is this really bad? The tortilla is really, really, really good. Let me add some of this hot sauce that they gave me and see if that goes ahead and changes anything around. But the meat is nice and like, it's got that really, really distinct, like it's not that over packaged bullshit that you all usually get. Let me see what this is working with right here. Oh, that salsa's got like a little chipotle flavor to it. I like it. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. So the last one is we're gonna go ahead and dial her in with everything, all the kit and caboodle. Great taco. Can't be mad at it. 7-8 all day. El Indio Azteca. Azteca? El Indio Azteca. And you can't go wrong with that Coca-Cola. I swear to God, it just tastes different. There's something about this Coca-Cola that don't have any English words on it. I don't even know what half of the stuff says. But for up to 50% commission rebate on your next home purchase, and for any mortgaging assistance, link in the description below, because shit, I don't know shit about tacos. I know that they taste good, but what I do know is mortgages and real estate. And for 0% listing fee or selling your home here in California, link in the description below. Who the hell thought it was a good idea for me to go ahead and do taco reviews? I don't know shit about cooking and tacos, but damn it, does this taste really, really good. Solid taco. Really, really Do you want to watch me eat the rest of this? Probably not. Until next video, guys. Thank you for watching.